Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This week, I'm doing something that's not normal on my channel. You guys know, who follow me, know that I'm not a big scenery guy. It's not that I don't like scenery on my slot car track. It's just, it's something I'm not very good at. But I do have some awesome lights from Doug and Ian at Magnetic Racing. And I have some awesome signage that came from Kevin at Racetrack Scenics. Shout out to both of those guys doing amazing things in the hobby of slot cars, providing amazing scenery for lots of slot car tracks all over the world, including mine. But Pete at Show Me Slots sent me a message last week after he had posted a video about his pit garage that he built. It's a 3D printed pit garage, but the cool thing is it has a remote control that actually operates the doors and turns on the lights, which was really, really cool. And I had commented on his video, and he sent me an email and said, hey, man, can I send you one so you can take a look at it and see? And I'm like, sure, that would be awesome. So today, I wasn't even planning on doing this video, but I got home from work, and the box was here already. And after I opened it up, I just couldn't wait. Today in the mail, I got something from Pete at Show Me Slots, and it is packaged very nice. This is his new pit garage that he's designed, and I'm super excited to take a look at it and put it together. But let's just get it out of this packaging first so we can see what we're looking at. Comes flat laid. Appears to be easy to put together. Check that out. Those are the placards, the banners that go. It even included some stickers and the remote control on the keychain. Fantastic. I'm super excited. I wasn't planning on putting this together tonight. This isn't even what I plan to release as a video today, but you guys know me. I have very little scenery. I'm excited now. Let's go. Okay, we've already opened it up. Now we move back over to the bench, and you can get a close-up view of the contents. Everything is nicely packaged, but some cool things. Here is a 2 lines 3D printed banner to go on top of the garage. And I can swap it out with the Show Me Slot Cars banner as well. That is amazing. Pete even sent me a sticker that will be proudly displayed on my pit box. And a couple other things. We have a remote control for the pit garage and a very cool slot car keychain that says Show Me Slot Cars. That is fantastic. Pete, man, I don't even know how to thank you. I haven't even got this thing put together yet. Pete did send me an email with the instructions on how to put this together. The 3D print quality of this looks fantastic. Look at that. Signed number 5. Awesome. Okay, so that's the outside. This is the inside. So start with these. These are M3. As I put it together, it's actually a 2.5. So now wall number 3 goes in. Again, super easy to put together. Sorry, I apologize for my hands getting in the way. Go in here. Okay, that was super easy. There you go. Garage together. Now step 2 is for the roof. 4 garage door tracks. 2 right and 2 left. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Man, I am just let me just take a second to say I am amazed by 3D printing. That's too freaking cool. Okay, got it. This is the garage door tracks. Press fit connector rod to garage doors. Okay. So it shows them laying down. Press fit connector rod to motor push rod. Pliers might help, but it does not need to seat completely flush. This is where your needle nose come in. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Place wall assembly on top of roof assembly. Starting from the garage door side of the wall, insert the tab from the front wall into the slot into the roof assembly. Oh, that was easy. Align all 4 garage door tracks into the grooves on the front wall. With roof and wall assembly on its side, plug the USB-C cable into the electronics box. Cable. You're plugged in. So let's flip this over. Oh, guys, look at that. That is looking awesome. Right here. Man, Pete thought of everything. Wait, there's more. Look at that. But lights kick on. You got the plaque up top. So thank you. Go check out Show Me Slot Cars, Pete's channel. Go like and subscribe. It's fantastic. But if you're interested in one of these pit garages, reach out to him. Let's see how this looks on there. How about that? That is awesome. The fact that you personalized it with my channel, I really appreciate that. This is fantastic. A lot of fun. And you guys are pulling me in. You're sucking me into this scenery stuff. This is going to look so cool. So let's go put it on the track and check it out. So guys, there you have it. The Show Me Slot Cars Pit Garage with working garage door and lights. It looks fantastic on my layout. You know, you guys just keep whipping up on me, beating me down. Eventually, I'll have scenery all over my slot car track. Pete, you did an awesome job. Congratulations to you. You've got a great product. It's really a lot of fun. It is now housing the Jake Dyke Special and the Pink Pig Livery 917K. So pretty important cars to me. So they're protected in the garage. So guys, if you're interested in a pit garage to put on your track as part of your scenery, reach out to Pete at showmeslotcars@gmail.com, and he will send you all the information that you need to know. Really cool build. It was a lot of fun. I'm starting to enjoy the scenery piece, but the building process, I enjoy the modeling, even though modeling is not something I'm very good at. But that's where Pete really takes care of you. He's kind of already done all of the hard work. All you have to do is put it together. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's cool to watch the garage door come up and then the lights kick on and there's your cars. It'll be fun. So Pete, thanks. Really appreciate you sending that out to me. Hopefully you enjoyed this. And again, reach out to Pete if you're interested in a pit garage. He can take care of you. You know what? Go have fun racing in style with your Show Me Slot Cars pit garage. Yeah. Check it out.